go.
Do you like my planes, Mr. Bond? Collecting them is something of a hobby of mine. Do you have any hobbies?
Resurrection.
Wait. Go.
Do you have any hobbies?
Resurrection.
Oh, I miss your face.
And again. I need to say resurrection.
Whenever you're ready.
Resurrection.
Go.
Do you even have a license? I have a license to kill.
Action.
Excuse me, sir, do you even have a license? I have a license to kill.
That was awful.
Was it?
So my camera work was. That was brilliantly acted. And action.
Excuse me, sir, do you have a license? I have a license to kill.
Cue. Stop. Action.
That worked or not?
Yeah?
I don't know. Give me one more.
Let me show you.
Show me what I need to do.
Something like. Just that'll do. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Right.
Action.
Go down here. Just again with a different camera angle.
Yeah, that'll do.
Suit for that. I just want to put the cufflinks on them, make a scene of it. Like he always plays with his cuff. He always goes, "Oh, when I'm walking at school,
Oh yeah.
get with this."
Yeah. All right.
Whenever you want to go.
Do you like my collection, Mr. Bond? These planes are something of a hobby of mine. Do you have any hobbies?
Resurrection.
Say it again.
Resurrection.
Put feeling in.
Resurrection.
Okay.
I think you should film my face saying, "Do you have any hobbies?"
Yeah. Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, that's it.
Ask it again.
Resurrection. One more time.
Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
Resurrection.
Bloody hell.
Action.
Excuse me, do you have a license for the plane? Oh, I was about to come in there.
Right. Okay.
Take too long, you're just staring at me.
And action.
Excuse me, sir, do you have a license? No. I have a license to kill. What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're fighting for the Branston pickles that are behind you. Right, yeah, that's good. And then, like, I'm going for the advance to come up and do a quick one of those in the yeah, it's easy. Yeah. But, like, a quick one of those. Yeah. Walking stage.
Right.
What on earth? This is the silliest thing we've ever done. Right, should we get this scene sorted?
Go.
Call me James.
Whenever you want. Oh, hold on. whenever you want to go.
Save the world.
Let's go see what happened. What's gone down?
All I did was give it a bit of an hazard to save the world. Whack! Came off.
Will it stick back on?
Should have got those cheap foam
They were
ones.
wobbly anyway. They were wobbly anyway.
Let's just try with it.
Have a look.
There's nothing else we can do. If the sword falls off, that'd be even funnier. Right, literally.
That can be how you lose your
That's how I
sword.
lose my sword.
Just like
It
that.
falls into the Manchester Ship Canal.
Tell you what, if you want to hold it, just hold it like that.
Right.
Yeah.
I can't do anything too dangerous.
Yeah.
Have you already got your drawings on sword arts?
Yeah, I got all that. Ugh. Alright, whenever you want to take action. Sorry.
When you were swiping your sword, I was actually scared of losing my head.
As long as I don't move my wrist too much.
Good job I wasn't recording. Have you lost yours as well?
No, that easy as it's mine.
Yeah.
Right, places.
I'll say it, even if I don't lose it.
Yeah.
Even if I do lose it, it makes it funny.
From there, can you actually see our swords touching?
No, not really.
As long as we just bring them close to each other.
Yeah.
Wait. Queen and country. Hold on, pickles. Right, okay, so G. And then she's back. And low angle shot from there. I think it should be a separate shot. I don't think it should
Yeah,
be continuous.
absolutely.
Yeah.
My duty.
Yeah. The Queen and country.
Mate, really say that loud as well.
You ready? Whenever you want.
For Queen and country.
For the pickles. Cut.
Is that alright?
Yeah, that was pretty good. Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
I wasn't ready.
You just gotta get it.
Alright,
You
say
just
when.
gotta get it at all.
Say when.
Get it while it's still up.
On the other night, 2 nights ago, who just went, that's Dave in the bath. I was like, he's well known for being in the dark.
Alright, whenever you want.
Alright, say when.
Hang on, what's that line we said I'd say? There's a line.
Oh, my sword.
No, there's something like, MI5 will get you, MI6 will get you.
Oh, no.
And then you just go, you shall die.
No, we want it as just a snippet.
I want you to do the you shall die and I will.
Yeah. Say when.
When?
What the?
Oh! Could have used that, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Sliced it in half. Again?
I think I got that.
Yeah, that'll do.
If you can.
Looks like he's a dentist. Alright, go.
I shall live.
Don't do it again.
Oh my word.
Just do it on my face in general.
Do it on my face, I was looking so intense.
That's
I
it.
loved
If you bend over, like,
Wait for the train.
it doesn't
When
want.
the train comes over.
Yeah.
Quickly bend
Have it
back.
from both angles.
Which
So.
bend back. I want to get the water in.
You
Wait, say when.
When? For a camera shot. You still going? Explain. Yeah. You're filming me. Right. I thought maybe we could have one more sword fight out there, and because it's a wider space, you can actually do like a rotating shot around us. So we're in one place, and you're sort of moving around us like that, which I thought, yeah, like that, which I thought would look quite impressive.
Queen and
But Jerry, whoever he is.
For Jerry.
excellent. Another weapon.
It's got rabies.
Because it's a dog.
Oh, we're not filmed. Pops, we haven't filmed the scene up there.
Where? Oh, we haven't done the "You will die and I will live" thing.
And my sword goes into the water.
We'll do it after we've done this sword fight. So, should we?
Go.
Do that again, do that again.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Keep going.
You do it again. Just get it to the one swipe.
We'll just get it.
Just to there. And I'll turn around and just go.
Yeah.
And again.
Nice.
Splendid.
Do you want yours one as well?
What?
Do you want yours still with them?
Nah.
Quick out.
Yeah. Oh, if you want to do that, yeah. We can have a brief shot of.
Yeah, we just need lots of shots now, don't we?
Richard standing there, and then Richard, you have to take the camera, and
Yeah.
me and Adam go over there.
And you're sat in the chair,
Yeah.
like some with your like. Now.
I'm not sure how much of the quality it'll pick up.
Oh, it's more getting the leak through the bridge. Try and get that, and then pan down onto you. If you could, would you mind standing just beneath it, or would that be?
Stand behind it.
No, go beneath it.
Stand be. Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do.
My name's Paul. James.
Yeah. Action.
Sorry.
Yeah, go for it.
Let's do that again.
I'm rolling, just keep going.